In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge update error using a simple step-by-step method that can help when Edge gets stuck, won't update properly, or keeps showing issues after an update. This is a quick fix you can try before going through more advanced troubleshooting, and it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. This will let you see all the programs and background processes currently running on your computer. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list and find Microsoft Edge. When you see Microsoft Edge, right-click on it and select End Task. This step is important because it completely closes Edge and stops any background process that may be interfering with the update. If Edge is still running, the update may not apply correctly, so ending the task helps clear that problem right away. After that, close Task Manager and go to the Control Panel on your computer. You can search for Control Panel in the Start menu if you do not see it immediately. Once you open Control Panel, look for Microsoft Edge in the Installed Programs or Applications list. When you find Microsoft Edge, right-click it and choose the option to change or modify Edge, depending on what appears on your system. This can help repair or adjust the installation and may fix the update issue that is causing the error. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen and allow the process to complete. If your computer asks you to confirm the changes, click Yes or Continue. Give the system a few moments to apply the repair or modification. After it finishes, restart your computer so the changes can take effect properly. Once your computer turns back on, open Microsoft Edge again and check whether the update error is gone. In many cases, stopping the running process and then repairing or changing the installation is enough to solve the issue. If Edge still gives you trouble, you may need to check for Windows updates, run Edge as an administrator, or reinstall the browser completely. But in most cases, this simple method is the best place to start. And that's how you fix the Microsoft Edge update error using Task Manager and Control Panel. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick fix video. Thanks for watching.